This, my friends, is a computer build with the Corsair Crystal Series 680X. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Me, Chinglish, speaking Chinese and English. I'm here today with one of my longtime friends, Steve Getches. And we're gonna build a computer. Well, my first computer. He's probably built like maybe a couple dozen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Want to get started?
Right now, we'll go ahead and pull off the top glass and undo the thumb screws for that.
Okay.
It's handy having a piece of cardboard out here as a workspace. That way you can just write right on there.
Okay. So then we'll go ahead and open up the Threadripper 1950X. The AMD Threadripper 1950X. You know, AMD stands for Advanced Micro Devices.
Excellent company. I've been a customer for many years.
There you go. How do you actually take this out of here? There you go.
Don't want anybody just walking off with it.
Then now, computer. Go. There's your CPU. And there's the work of art, work of beauty. Let me put this down. Structure manual, but I don't think we're gonna need that.
Just for pen layouts.
And your torque wrench. Looks like to open it is 3. Two. And 1. It should just pop open. And there you go. Here we go. And it's shaped just like this plate. $4,000 pens in this. You want to make sure you seat this properly, or you could damage, if you damage at least one of these pens, you'll void your warranty. Go. This is the most delicate part. And there. There's the first start. 2. Make sure it gets a little bit of thread and then go back. You never want to tighten one side down first.
In a way, you want to do it like you're changing your tire.
And there's the click.
Thanks.
Whenever it clicks, you know you're done. and you're done.
Nice job.
CPU is properly seated. Go on to the memory. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. 32 gigabytes and 3000 megahertz. What slots do they go into?
You're going to want to go into... Oh, that's for different styles of layout for the cases. That way, if you have to, also if the case requires to trim the plate or anything crazy, it's not actually attached. That way you can do it.
And you should, the shield you should put in from each corner, not in the middle.
Yeah, it's dense. I learned that one the hard way.
Yeah,
years
not
ago.
in the middle.
I was fortunate.
But this board's expensive.
Oh yeah.
There's boards that are less than this, and the I/O shield is built in there.
This is quality. Trust me, it's better.
Its quality is better.
Better like that. Much better like this. This is all out of the motherboard case, right?
Out of the motherboard, and then two-way SLI bridge. We don't need this.
Not yet.
Two-way SLI.
I'm also throwing the SATA cables off to the side for right now.
SATA cables, okay.
We're not going to need those right now.
And we probably won't need these because we have our shoes on.
Yes.
Oh, and we can turn on the... Do you want to plug in the power supply?
No, not yet, not yet.
Because you can just touch, if you drag your feet, you can just touch the power supply.
I was also going to suggest, have you ever shocked anyone with wet hands? No.
No.
It's harder to build up static. So, every once in a while, just rinse the hands off. Don't dry them real good.
All right, okay.
Not enough to be like smearing everywhere, but...
Yeah, one here.
Okay. Yeah, do the M.2s first.
Okay,
So
M.2s first.
Yeah. You have two different types out of the three, right?
I have two different types.
Oh, there's three on each leg, okay. Big one and two little ones.
And one right here.
You're gonna have to pop those as well.
And one right here.
Comes with a freaking expander card.
Right there.
I ain't gonna lie, brother, I am jealous.
This is your heat shield. Right there. Am I missing something? Yep, right here. And 160 gigabyte or 180 gigabyte. Looks just like a stick of gum. Am I putting this in right? There you go. You need your M.2 screws.
Label those.
And these magnetic.
Your screwdrivers haven't touched them yet.
This is a tiny screw. It doesn't say.
Oh, specifies in the instructions for one of the mounting screw holes for securing the motherboard is going to be underneath the heatsink. So we'll want to put those back on after we've secured the motherboard inside the case. The expander board for the M.2s, where's that at? On this?
Are they in there?
Gonna double check.
That would be absolutely wrong.
Never hurts to check.
No.
If they're trying to dangle blow from here.
That, my friends, is the end of this video. With me, English, speaking Chinese and English. 爱生活幸福和平 Love, life, happiness, peace, and like always, 我爱生活是生活第一部分。